New Year, new travel. This time, kasama na natin si Michelle, ang ating cum laude. Ang flight namin is 10:45 pero nagpunta na kami dito ng 6 since ine-expect namin na madami talagang tao. And totoo nga, mahaba na ang pila. Yan, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. Anong tinanong sa'yo?
Sino ka saka pupunta? Saka pupunta, tapos asan yung boarding pass mo daw?
Tapos, sino kasama?
Tapos ang sabi dyan, sino kasama mo? Tapos ano pa ba yung tinanong? Kung ano daw, kung may work na ako. Yun lang.
Ikaw, anong tinanong sa'yo?
Ano work ko?
Tapos,
Anggot ko daw.
ang pangit mo naman kausap.
Yun lang, pinakod ko daw.
Hindi ka dapat sinasama sa... O, diba? Nagkapikunan pa nga. Around 10:20 p.m., nag-open na yung boarding gates namin and we're ready to board. 1:30 a.m., nasa Hanoi na kami and medyo mahaba na rin yung pila dito sa may ATM. And also, we have airport transport from our hotel, which is here, the Espesen Hotel. We highly recommend them kasi sobrang ganda na service and then ng rooms, and then they offer us upgrade dun sa homestay nila, which is worth it naman talaga, di ba? Malinis, maganda, tsaka spacious yung room namin. Saktong-sakto sa amin, kaya pa nga ng 4 eh. So, ayun, magpapahinga muna kami para sa day 1. Good morning! So, ito yung start ng day 1 namin. Idlip na kami. Siguro dumating kami dito mga 4 a.m., no? 4 a.m. May hotel pick up naman kami. Kaso na-late kami ng labas kasi ang haba ng pila talaga sa bangko. So, time check, it's 7:42 a.m. Dito. Sa Philippines, it's 8:42. City tour kami ngayon. So, excited ka na ba, girl?
Yes.
Ano mo na? Our agenda for today is makahanap ng kakainan ng breakfast since hindi pa kami kumakain simula nung paglapag namin sa airport. I forgot the name nung kinainan namin pero nasa 65k VND lang dito, which is 149.50 or 150 sa atin sa Pilipinas. Ayan, malapit lang sa hotel namin. Yung church. Tapos ang daming coffee shop malapit. Ganda ng mga coffee shop.
First, on the behalf of our company, thank you very much for joining with us today. Go to the city tour in Hanoi, and we hope that everybody have a good trip today in Hanoi. Okay. The name of the pagoda, they call it Chen Kuk Pagoda. Chen is mean the protect, Kuk is mean the nation. Chen Kuk is mean the protect the country or to save the country. Call this one the people tree. A very favorite tree inside the pagoda.
Sabi, pag umikot ka dito, for luck, and then good health. Luck and good health. Big! Ikot tayo. Dito sa likod. Next naman daw is saan tayo? Musileo. Bawal videohan, bawal mag-picture.
To the Ho Chi Minh complex. I told before we have a chance to see the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, the tomb for the Ho Chi Minh.
Video photo of the artist, yeah.
Viet people, they use a puppet to tell you the story, the history about the Viet people. I told before the Vietnam, the tropical country. Tropical country is made in Vietnam. They're so
The longhouse. For at least 30 meters daw. Good for one family. Tall house. Usually ginagamit daw to kapag may mga pagpupulong, something ganyan.
So there's a pavilion behind it. This one and this one same. So call this one a pavilion.
Next is the Mason Central or the Halo Prison or Hanoi Hilton.
The height of the wall almost the 4 meters. On the top of the wall you see the unbroken glasses.
This prison was used during the Vietnamese War. Halo Prison is very popular in tourists right now, but on the other side, from the previous prisoners, this is a horror story for them now. As you can see, yung CR nila nasa room lang, and then nakalock yung mga legs nila. Dito naman is yung parang dungeon nila, which is dito kinukulong yung mga prisoners na mabibigat yung parusa. Dito, yung bed nila dyan, nakaslant siya, which is kung hihiga ka, yung ulo mo nakababa, then yung paa mo mas mataas. Last stop natin is the water puppet show, which is included na siya sa binook namin. And we're done for day 1. See you on the next part sa day 2 natin. Bye-bye!